Visually connect concavity to the second derivative for deeper understanding. Let's go ahead and graph the function in blue using this window. In y2, we'll get the derivative of y1, and y3 we'll get the derivative of y2, which is the second derivative. So I will turn on just the second derivative, not the first derivative, and graph that in brown. By inspection, we'll find the zeros of the second derivative. They appear to be at -3, so I'll trace and make sure I get onto second derivative graph and trace to -3. And you can see that that is close to 0 there. And then also at +2, also close to 0. So those would be the zeros of the second derivative. Let's make some connections and visualize this. Let's go ahead and graph the inequality x is less than -3. And you can see that when x is less than -3, the second derivative is positive, and the blue function is concave up. Next, we'll graph x is greater than 2. And for x greater than 2, we can see again the second derivative is positive in brown, and the blue function is concave up in that interval. And finally, we'll graph both of these at the same time. And so for the unshaded region, when x is between -3 and +2, the second derivative is clearly negative, and the blue function is concave down. You'll notice that the curve changes concavity at these 2 points right here. And here's a summary again. Notice how the inequality helps the students visualize this much better. For student activity, go to this website